How can I return the longest continuous occurrence of true in Boolean, and replace other true with false? I am trying to return a Boolean which only gives the longest true occurrence in the original Boolean and replace shorter true chunks into false. Example A equals true, true, false, true, 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 false. I want to return false, 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 true, 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 false. I tried moreitertools and it seems to have some interesting functions but not sure how to exactly implement for my purpose. So what I want to eventually automatically get is false, 3, true, 3, false, 1. Any suggestions? Thank you for your help.
Below solution should work after using more_ittertools.run_length. Essentially, the logic is to find the length of longest subsequence of true, and the location of that index in result list. Then count the total elements before and after that longest subsequence, then construct the resultant list of tuples accordingly. The output will be
Here's a vectorized one. Sample run.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.